Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to remove your video background noise in your iPhone. So for this example, we're going to use our CapCut right here, and I already have a pre-made video for you guys basically. So here, you're going to actually remove the noise right here. So it's pretty simple actually to remove the noise, but CapCut has made it harder throughout the next few months right now. So first thing you'll have to do is go here to your audio and basically just remove your reduce audio right here. So you can also try to isolate the voice if you want to, if you can do so, if there's a voice that you want to isolate, or even enhance a voice if there is a voice to enhance right there. But basically all you have to do is reduce noise and it'll be all right. So this used to be a free feature and now it's not. So CapCut Pro might cost around, I'm not sure. So let's just check it out. So CapCut Pro right here. So as you can see, if you're using a slow motion feature or reduce noise, you will actually have to actually pay for it. So let's just check it out. As you can see right here, there is some certain actual prices for your own monthly, or just 1 month, or 1 year, or every year. So right here it says it's around $80, or actually just, yeah, around $80 to do 1 year. So if you want to do actually every year subscription, it's going to be around just $60, and then every month it's going to cost you around just $30, or not really $30, just around 18 bucks. And if you want every single month, you will just have to pay around $4. It's just that simple. So there you go guys, that is how you reduce your noise basically, or that's how you reduce your background noise in your video. Just press that button and you'll be alright. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.